Ever wondered how to create fantastic AI videos? As we sit on the cusp of a new era, the rise in AI's popularity and its integration into video creation is nothing short of remarkable. It's reshaping the way we conceive and create digital content. Among the power players in this revolution is Leonardo AI, a tool that's making waves in the realm of AI video making. This tool is not just an artificial intelligence, it's your creative partner, your digital Picasso, transforming your ideas into visually stunning videos. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. In this video, we'll unfold the magic of Leonardo AI, offering you a step-by-step guide on how to create your own AI videos. Whether you're looking to make a jaw-dropping presentation or a viral YouTube video, we've got you covered. So buckle up. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI video creation with Leonardo AI. Before we plunge into the process, let us understand the prerequisites. To create engaging AI videos, there are a few basic requirements. First, having a well-crafted script is crucial. This serves as the blueprint of your video, dictating the flow and content of your narrative. Second, understanding your target audience is key. Knowing who you're speaking to allows you to tailor your video's content, tone, and style to their preferences and needs. Lastly, the purpose of the video must be clear. Is it to inform, entertain, persuade, or inspire? This purpose guides the direction of your video and ensures it resonates with your audience. These factors may seem basic, but their importance in shaping the final output cannot be overstated. They lay the foundation for a compelling AI video that not only garners views but also leaves a lasting impact. Now that we have the basics in place, we can start our journey with Leonardo AI. First, we need to familiarize ourselves with Leonardo AI. Let's dive in. Leonardo AI is a groundbreaking tool that's reshaping the way we create videos. Its unique features are designed to make the process simpler, more efficient, and highly customizable. Leonardo AI is not just a tool, it's a creative partner that uses artificial intelligence to generate videos. Here's the magic part. It's powered by machine learning. This means it continuously learns and adapts to the user's style and needs. With each video you create, it gets better at understanding your preferences, offering you a more personalized experience. Imagine having a co-director who learns from you, grows with you, and helps you create better videos each time. That's Leonardo AI for you. It's not just a video creation tool, it's a revolution in the making. With this understanding of Leonardo AI, we can now move forward. We're all set to start creating our AI video. Let's embark on this exciting journey with Leonardo AI, a tool that empowers you to create awe-inspiring AI videos. The first thing we need to do is create an account. Navigate to the Leonardo AI homepage, click on the Sign Up button, and fill in the necessary details. Remember, your password should be as unique as you are. Once you've registered, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center for creating amazing AI videos. Now, before we dive into the process, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the dashboard. You'll see various options like New Project, Upload Script, and Manage Projects. These are your keys to unlock the world of AI video creation. Alright, now that we're familiar with the dashboard, let's get our hands dirty. Click on New Project. This will open up a dialog box asking for your project title. Give your project a name that sparks joy. It could be as simple as My First AI Video. With the project named, we're ready to move on to the next important step, uploading the script. The script is the backbone of your video. It's the story you want to tell, the message you want to share. To upload a script, click on Upload Script and select the file from your device. Remember, Leonardo AI accepts text files, so ensure your script is in the correct format. Once you've uploaded your script, Leonardo AI will start analyzing it. This might take a few moments, so be patient. This is where the magic happens. Leonardo AI is reading your script, understanding the nuances, and preparing to transform your words into an engaging AI video. And there you have it, the first few steps towards creating an amazing AI video with Leonardo AI. We've created an account, navigated the dashboard, started a new project, and uploaded our script. Hold on, we're halfway through our AI video creation. Let's continue from where we left off. Now it's time to breathe life into your content with AI voices. Leonardo AI offers a wide range of voice options, each with its own unique tone and style. From soothing and calm to energetic and enthusiastic, there's a voice for every mood and message. Start by listening to the samples and select the one that best aligns with your video's tone. Once you've chosen your AI voice, it's time to transform your text into speech. Simply paste your script into the provided text box and hit Generate. Within seconds, Leonardo AI will convert your text into natural, human-like speech, complete with emotions and inflections. But what if you want to tweak the voice output? No problem. With Leonardo AI, you can easily adjust the speed, pitch, and volume of the AI voice, ensuring it perfectly fits your video. Now let's move on to finalizing your video. Here you can add background music or sound effects to enhance the overall experience. Just remember, less is often more. You don't want the music to overpower your AI voice. Finally, preview your video. This is your chance to catch any errors or make last-minute adjustments. If you're satisfied with the result, hit Export and Leonardo AI will render your video in high definition. And there you have it, your very own AI video. Congratulations on creating your first AI video with Leonardo AI. The journey you've embarked on today, understanding the basic requirements, getting to know Leonardo AI, and executing the actual creation is just the beginning. You've now got the tools at your fingertips. So go ahead, experiment with different features, play around with settings, and make your videos as engaging as you can imagine. Remember, the only limit to AI video creation is your imagination. So keep exploring and keep creating.